Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to enable developer mode on iPhone in iOS 18. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and you have updated your device to iOS 18 and you are facing the issue that developer mode not showing and you want to turn on your developer mode. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you have to open your settings here, click on Wi-Fi, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and now you have to go back. So guys, after this, you need to click on General, and guys, you need to click on About. And here you can see I have updated my device to iOS 18. So guys, you can update also your device to iOS 18 or later version. And guys, after this, you have to go back on your settings. From here, you have to scroll it below, and here you can see the option of privacy and security. You have to click on this tab, and from here, you have to scroll at the bottom. And guys, here you can see there is no option to enable developer mode, but guys, there is the option of lockdown mode. So guys, the lockdown mode is the option instead of developer mode. So guys, you can easily turn it on. So guys, when you have turned on this, then guys, it means you have turned on your developer mode on your iOS 18. So guys, when you have click on turn on and restart, automatically developer mode will be turned on your iPhone after restarting. So guys, this is the way to turn on your developer mode or lockdown mode. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.